Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu-Alaikum, dear students. Welcome to the Math Word Knowledge. Dear student, Math Word Knowledge discussed exercise 6b, SAFOORA publisher, Fundamental of Mathematics. Exercise 6b, question number 1. Factorize the given expression. How to factorize this question? Stop. If you like, then subscribe. Now we can start the question. Question number 1. Factorize 5x plus 10y plus 15z. Dear student, first we can simplify 5 into 1x plus 5 into 2y plus 5 into 3z. First, in which one number will be common from each term. So the 5, this will be common, this will be common, and this will be common. Now taking 5 is the common. Next, x plus 2y plus 3z. This is the answer of this question. Very simple. Now you can start. Next question. 4x square plus 20xz minus 12xy. Now we can written as 4x into x minus 4 into x into 3y plus 4 into 20x into z. Now here common, 4 is the common, x is the common, 4 is the common, x is the common, and 4 is the common, and x is the common. Here 5, because 4 5s are 20. Now very easily taking common 4x, 4x, 4x. After the common, we can written as 4x into x minus 3y minus 5z. This is the answer of this question.